In this video, I am going to install Node.js in the Windows PC. Open the Chrome and type Node.js. On top of the Node.js, go for the Node.js LTS version. Download the LTS version. Once it got downloaded, click on this to install. So here we need to give next. I accept the terms of the license agreement, and next where our program Node.js is going to install. Here next, and automatically install the necessary tools. So click on this and click on next, install it, give as whatever it required, and it got installed successfully. Finish. Showing some. And one more thing, do you want to check whether it got installed the latest version or not? Check command prompt, go for it. No, -b, and it got installed version 22.16.0. So thank you for watching this video.